Iron Man, not just a suit, not just a superhero, but a symbol of rising after every fall. Tony Stark didn't start out perfect. He was broken, arrogant, and lost. But through pain, he became purpose. Iron Man is the story of transformation, of turning pain into power, of building yourself from the ground up with nothing but courage, creativity, and heart. When we draw Iron Man today, we're not just drawing a mask, we're drawing strength. We're sketching what it means to keep going, even when the world wants you to stop. Each line represents the armor we all build. Not metal and tech, but silence, smiles, and survival. Because just like Tony, we hide our battles. But deep down, we dream of saving the world, or at least protecting the ones we love. Oh, if you've ever felt weak, if you've ever doubted yourself, remember, even Iron Man had to build his strength piece by piece. And guess what? You're allowed to do the same. Behind every scar, there's a story. Behind every drawing, there's a journey. And behind every Iron Man, there's a human trying to be better than they were yesterday. This drawing isn't just art, it's a reminder that you're capable, that your pain can become power, that your story can inspire others. So if you're watching this, this isn't just how to draw Iron Man, this is how to be one.